Hello, welcome with EcoSafe. For more than 30 years, specialist in dry toilets and composting toilets. This is a new model in our assortment. This is the Multoa 25A, which is a composting toilet. It collects everything, urine and feces and paper in this toilet and composts it in the toilet itself. After about 3-4 months, you can collect only composting material in the bottom. That's neat, isn't it? Really. The composting toilet, the Multoa, has as well a hatch. This means when you visit the toilet, you can't see anything. Oh. You can't see anything thanks to the hatch. When you sit down, it opens up so you can do your thing, and when you are finished, it closes automatically. Thanks to ventilation inside, there is no odor as well. Everything, all the air is sucked into the toilet, which is necessary for the composting process, and then blown out outdoors in that case. The ventilation is a necessity for the composting process. At the same time, there is a small heating device in the bottom of this toilet, because the bacteria, which are necessary for the composting process, they need some warmth. When you're together with 1 or 2 persons, at point 1, it's enough. The heat is enough to make it acceptable for the bacteria. But for instance, when you have a party and there are much more people, then it will be too moist. In that case, you put the heating a little bit more up, easy from one position to another, just like that. So it heats up more during the party for a couple of days. And then you have more urine or moist evaporation, which goes through the ventilation, and that keeps the composting heap dry and the best way of processing in that case. After a couple of days, you can put it back to point 1 and it continues like that. It needs connection to 230 volts, so the only thing what you need is a socket to put this one in and a ventilation hole in the wall or in the ceiling to get outside in this case. After a period of 3-4 months, you can collect some composting material from this. That's easy. You start with composting material, fresh, what you get from us in the toilet. And if you only use it in a holiday home, it's perfect. After a period of, let's say, 1 month, 1.5 months, you go home, you can clean the toilet as it is, put a small hatch like this in it, so you close the lid, no insects are coming to it and so on, and you can take out the electricity. The bacteria and the composting process will slowly continue until you come back from, let's say, 2-3 months or whatever, and you just put in the electricity, open up the hatch, and the process continues. That's the beauty of this Multoa 25. It's a wonderful product. It exists already much longer. I think for more than 30 years in Scandinavia. Has been proven to work very, very well in all kinds of conditions, cold conditions, remote locations, larger campers in this case. It could be used in a tiny home as well, because it's very neat. It processes everything. You don't need a sewer system, no sewer piping and so on, only your ventilation. You don't need any flushing, don't need any chemicals. Everything is processed within the toilet. It is beautiful. I really can recommend this small composting toilet. Look at our website, ecosafe.com. Bye bye.